Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Way to Physics. I am Sandhya and now I will be solving remaining 10 questions of 2018 GATE Physics. Okay, so let's start. This is the part 4 and in this we are solving questions 46 to 55, right? So let's start. Question number 46. It says a uniform circular disk of mass m and radius r is rotating with angular speed omega about an axis passing through its center, making an angle 30 degree with axis of disk if the kinetic energy of the disk is alpha m omega square r square, then the value of alpha will be. Okay, so see, according to question, the omega is given to us with this theta, right? Now we can change, that is perpendicular component is what? That is omega perpendicular and parallel component be omega parallel with respect to disk, right? So according to this, for let omega 1 be omega cos theta, as it is making cos theta theta angle theta with this, right? So omega perpendicular will be omega cos theta and omega parallel be omega sin theta. Now I1 will passing through, now this will be the passing through center and perpendicular axis, right? So that is mr square by 2, and I2 will be when it is perpendicular passing through its diameter, right? As disk is this, we have just resolute the components in this form, right? So this will be along passing through center and perpendicular to axis, right? And this will be the, that is along diameter. Okay, so these are the I1 and I2. Now total kinetic energy we have to find, right? Which is half I1 omega perpendicular square and I2 omega parallel square, respective angular momentum with their angular speed, right? So by putting values here itself, by these values, we can write it as this, and omega perpendicular square comes out to be cos square 30 and this will be sin square 30. So upon solving this, we get it as 7 by 32 mr square omega square, and it is given that is alpha mr square omega square. So upon comparing, we got it alpha as 7 by 32. So that will be up to 2 decimal places is 0.22. Okay, so this is your answer. Now next question. Question number 47. The ground state energy of a particle of mass m in an infinite potential well is E naught. It changes to E naught 1 plus alpha into 10 raised to power minus 3 when there is small potential bump of height this and width L by 100 as shown in figure. The value of alpha is. Okay, now see, according to this we can determine that A is what? 100 part of length. So it will be very small with respect to L, right? So according to this, let be Vp be in this situation where it occurs with L by 2 minus A by 2, right? Across this will be A by 2 and then L by 2, this length remaining will be L by 2 minus A by 2 and length will be L by 2 plus A by 2, right? So according to this, we got it as this, and we know that ground state for one infinite potential well is what? That is root 2 by L sine pi x by L itself, and energy is pi square h cut square by 2 ml square for this, right? So according to this Vp, we calculated the, now for first we have to find the small potential bump and for the first order. So for first order it is just the simple, that is our expected value, right? So according to this, as this is the we derived from it conclusion from question, right? So this is the conclusion, and upon solving this we got it as this. Okay, now further upon solving for say ground state, then it will be pi square h cut square by 50 ml square, that is the perturbed potential. Okay, so by calculating we got it as 0.8 into 10 raised to power minus 3. Okay, in this form of E naught. So this will be the answer, this will be the first order potential. Now further energy will be, that is E naught plus E naught dash itself, right? So upon adding this, that will be E naught 1 plus alpha into 10 raised to power 3, and also that is right. So upon, okay, so upon comparing this, we got it alpha as 0.8. Okay, so this is your answer. Now next question. An EM plane wave is propagating with an intensity this in a medium with epsilon 3 epsilon naught and mu is mu naught. The amplitude of electric field inside the medium is, right? Now you know that intensity of EM plane wave in medium is this, I equals to 1 by 2 epsilon V E naught square, where V is the velocity, and it will be 1 by under root mu E, and C is also, that is under root 1 by mu naught epsilon naught itself. So according to this, by putting values here, we got it C by root 3 as velocity, and by putting here epsilon naught value and velocity value, we got it as this. Now by putting values which is given to us, I, epsilon naught and C in this situations, so by putting values, we got it as 6.6 into 10 raised to power 3 volt per meter. Okay, so this is your answer, which is up to 1 decimal 6.6. Okay, next question. A microcanonical ensemble consists of 12 atoms, with each taking either energy 0 state or energy E state. Both states are non-degenerate. If total energy of this ensemble is 4E, its entropy will be KB. In terms of KB, we have to find out up to 1 decimal place. Okay. अब देखो microcanonical ensemble में कितने हैं? Total 12 atoms है, right? 0 स्टेट में है और एनर्जी ई स्टेट में है. तो हमारे पास अगर हम N1 लेट करते हैं, दैट विल बी फॉर 0 स्टेट्स एंड N2 बी फॉर 0 ई स्टेट, सॉरी ई स्टेट, राइट? सो टोटल हमारे पास कितने हैं? 12 होने चाहिए. और ये इक्वेशन कैसे बनती है हमारी? n प्लस N2 इक्वल्स टू 4E. सो अपॉन, जब हमारे पास ये इक्वेशन तभी बनती है 4E जब हमारे पास N1 में 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हो और N2 में 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हो. ओके, 4 पार्टिकल्स एंड दिस विल बी 8 पार्टिकल्स, तभी हमारे पास ये सिचुएशन बनेगी. ओके, अब माइक्रोस्टेट्स क्या होते हैं हमारे पास? दैट विल बी 12CN1, राइट, एंड 12CN2. सेम सिचुएशन में आएगी, क्योंकि अगर यहां से देखिए 12 फैक्टोरियल N1 factorial, then 12 minus N1 factorial, and addition is as well same here, so that will be also equal to 12 factorial N2 factorial and 12 minus N2 factorial, right? So ये हमारे पास सॉल्व करके कितना आता है? 495. एंड एंट्रोपी हमारे पास देखो, ये फॉर्मूला भी हमारा बहुत बार यूज हुआ है, माइक्रोस्टेट्स पूछे जाते हैं और सिर्फ एंट्रोपी निकालनी होती है केबी की टर्म्स में, राइट? दैट इज द फॉर्मूला S इज इक्वल्स टू KB ln ओमेगा माइक्रोस्टेट्स कैलकुलेट करने के बाद. Okay, so 495 is this. Now ln 495 is what? That is 6.2, which we have to calculate from the calculator. Now next question. A two-state quantum system has energy eigenvalue plus minus E corresponding to normalized state plus psi plus minus E. हमारे पास साई प्लस के पास एनर्जी है E एंड साई माइनस के पास एनर्जी है माइनस E. एट टाइम t इक्वल्स टू 0 सिस्टम इज इन क्वांटम स्टेट. साई हमारे पास है क्वांटम स्टेट एट t इक्वल्स टू 0. ओके, द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट द सिस्टम विल बी इन सेम स्टेट एट t h by 6e इज, अब h by 6e, t इज इक्वल्स टू h by 6e पर हमारी कितनी वैल्यू होगी? ओके, तो अब देखो, जब हमारे पास t by इक्वल्स टू 0 पर ये स्टेट है, अब जब हम t इक्वल्स टू t पर स्टेट करते हैं, देन इट विल बी साई प्लस में हमारी कितनी है? प्लस ही, देन इट सेल्फ माइनस. बट साई माइनस पे हमारी माइनस है, तो वो माइनस माइनस हमारा प्लस बन जाएगा, राइट? सो अकॉर्डिंगली प्रोबेबिलिटी हमारे पास होगी साई 0 साई t होल स्क्वायर, राइट? प्रोबेबिलिटी के लिए हम स्क्वायर करते हैं. तो अब देखिए, इसको हम पुटअप करने के बाद साई 0 साई t, देन इट कम्स आउट टू बी 1/4 अंडर रूट e माइनस iota. T is what? That is h by 6e, right? And h cut is what? H upon 2 pi. So it will be EH get cancelled. I at that is iota e minus iota pi by 3, and this as well, that is e raised to power iota pi by 3 itself. right? Accordingly this will be of plus sign and this will be of minus sign. So upon solving this, we got it as into 2 plus 2 cos terms, right? So that will be upon solving, we got it as e iota pi by 3 is what, changing this will be cos pi by 3 plus iota sin pi by 3. So upon solving this, we got it as value 1 by 4 into 1 and this will be 0.25. So this is your answer. Okay. Now next one. Question number 51. An air conditioner maintains the room temperature at 27 degrees Celsius while the outside temperature is 47 degrees Celsius. The heat conducted through the walls of room from outside to inside due to temperature difference is 7000 watt. The minimum work done by compressor of air conditioner per unit time is. Now this we have to calculate, that is minimum work done. अब मिनिमम वर्क डन के लिए हमारे पास ये सिचुएशन है कि हमें सब कम से कम वर्क डन करना पड़े, राइट? दैट मीन्स एसी शुड बिहेव एज कार्नोट साइकिल. तो कार्नोट साइकिल के लिए हमारे पास क्या सिचुएशन होती है, इसेंट्रिसिटी होती है हमारे पास, विच इज ईटा इटसेल्फ, which is equals to 1 minus T2 by T1 and also equals to 1 minus Q2 by Q1, right? So from this relation we know that Q1 by Q2 is equals to T1 by T2 itself. So by putting values here, we got it as this Q1 and we have to find work done. See, we have to find work done. Okay, so by calculating work done, that is Q1 minus Q2 itself is 466.67 value, we got it. Okay, so this is your answer. Now next question. Two solid spheres A and B have same emissivity. The radius A is 4 times the radius of B and temperature of A is twice the temperature of B. The ratio of rate of heat radiated from A to that of B. Now the rate of heat radiated from sphere is what? That is pressure is 4 pi E sigma R square T4, which is P is directly proportional to R square T4. And the relation is given to us, radius is 4 times of RB and temperature is 2 times of TB, right? So according to this, by putting values here, which is further RA is what, that is 4 RB by RB whole square and 2 TB by TB raised to power 4. Upon solving this, we got it as 256. Okay. Now further, next question. It says the partition function of an ensemble at temperature T is given this, where Kb is Boltzmann constant. The heat capacity of this ensemble at T equals to E by Kb is X and Kb, and we have to find the value of X. Okay. Now Z equals to 2 cos beta E is given to us, right? And for n particles it will be raised to power n in Maxwell-Boltzmann, right? Now according to this, E is what, that is minus del by del beta of ln z, which is also minus 1 by z del by z del beta, right? देखो ये भी फॉर्मूला हमारा कितनी बार यूज हो चुका है ना? अब इसको हम करने के बाद ये कितना आता है, देखिए z हमारे पास ये है, सो अगेन हम करते हैं minus 1 by 2 cos beta e, then further del z by del beta करेंगे, then it will be twice 2 as it is beta, and then सॉरी बीटा के रिस्पेक्ट में करना है, देन इट विल बी cos 2e देन sin hyperbolic beta e, right? And that comes out to be 10 hyperbolic beta e, right? So according to this, minus ne 10 hyperbolic, right? So now Cv is what, ln z, so that will be n power raised to power n comes out to be out of log, right? Now Cv is what, that is del E by del T. So upon comparing this del E by del T, we know that beta is equals to 1 by Kt, right? So 1 by beta is what, Kt. So del by del beta is what, that is minus Kt K del T, right? So minus 1 by beta square itself, and it will be del beta, right? So calculating this by k, what del by del t is what, kb beta square, right? So by putting values here, we got it as n kb beta square e square 1 minus 10 hyperbolic beta e whole square. Okay, so by putting values here, we got it as this, which is exponential. This is for sine hyperbolic and this is for cos hyperbolic. Okay, so just by putting values here further, now at t equals to e by kb, so just putting values e by kb, then e square get cancelled out and kb is first get cancelled out is nkb, and then by putting values of e which is 2.78 and by 718 and by calculating from calculator we got it as 0.42. Okay, so this is your answer. Now next question. An atom in its single state is subjected to a magnetic field. The Zeeman splitting of its 650 nanometer spectral line is 0.03 nanometer. The magnitude of field is Tesla. अब देखिए Zeeman splitting में हमारे पास फॉर्मूला कितना होता है, that is del mu is del lambda by lambda square, right? बट हमारे पास del mu की क्योंकि given conditions के आपके पास मैग्नेटिक फील्ड गिवन है, वेवलेंथ गिवन है एंड देन स्पेक्ट्रल लाइन गिवन है, तो इसके अकॉर्डिंगली हम इस फॉर्मूले में पुट अप करेंगे और यहाँ से कैलकुलेट करके ये वाली चीज हम इसमें पुट अप करेंगे. देन वी हैव टू फाइंड द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड which is equals to 1 by 1.52 Tesla. Okay, just values put up किए इन फॉर्मूले में. Now next question. The quantum effects is in an ideal gas become important below a certain temperature Tq when de Broglie wavelength corresponding to root mean square thermal speed becomes equal to interatomic separation for such gas of atoms of mass this and number density this. Tq is what, that is 10 raised to power minus 3k and this we have to find. Okay, now see lambda is what, that is h upon m vrms and vrms is what, that is under root 3 kBt by m. So from putting value of vrms in this formula we got it as this, which is given to us equal to interatomic separation, right? So by putting it here interatomic separation itself, which is by putting this into the formula we got it as this, and by putting the given values here we can calculate it, that is 84.3 into 10 raised to power minus 3. So our answer is what, that is 84.3. okay, got it. So देखिए अभी हमने 2018 पेपर भी कंप्लीट कर लिया है. ओके, नाउ टुमारो द टर्न विल बी ऑफ 2019 गेट फिजिक्स पेपर. थैंक यू.